Christian view on plastic surgery. Some Christians support plastic surgery because of the benefits, especially when it comes to skin grafting. If you had maybe you had an accident and you are burnt by fire, now you can undergo what? Plastic surgery in order to change your physical appearance of the scar. That is when Christians support the practice, when it has benefits which are adding to the what? To human life. Some Christians also oppose surgery or plastic surgery because it alters your appearance, your physical appearance. And those who are opposing it usually argue that when you're changing your physical appearance, you're challenging God. You're challenging God. And also, those who do not support it are deemed as not appreciating God's creation, because you should appreciate God the way you are. Also, it is unethical. Some of the aspects why people argue that they want to do plastic surgery is because it's very unethical. Why would you want to look younger? I want to look my age. I'm still my age. All you have to do is apply whatever you apply. You can even apply makeup if you want. Makeup is good. And you apply oil on your skin so that your skin does not get burnt by the what? By the sunlight. Just that's okay. You're not okay. And you care so much about what people say that you want to change yourself. Why? Dress up well. Dress up well. Polish your shoes. You're okay. You go. You look like a gentleman. You go. So we come back. We read Exodus chapter 20 verse 4. So that we are told, if you pay too much attention on yourself, you're worshiping yourself. You're not worshiping God. So the Bible, that is a detection of idolatry. And it's against what? The commandments of God. Exodus chapter 20 verse 4. So here you're being told that you should not make any idols for yourself. But when you are paying too much attention on yourself, that is worshiping yourself instead of worshiping who? God. And that is wrong.